home remedies better than a doctor? For the simplest issues that can be wrong, there are times when a home remedy can be the perfect solution. Trying to decide if a home remedy is the best solution for your needs is something that should be determined based on your own particular situation, rather than trying to compare your situation to that of someone else. It is also extremely important to realize that there are times when a doctor is much better equipped to handle your problem, or another professional. Trying a home remedy is all about saving money, using natural solutions, and also ensuring safety. With this in mind, it can be a lot of fun to venture off to find the perfect home remedy for whatever ails you. Just be very sure that you are looking for a home remedy that is safe. If you are looking towards home remedies that are a bit dangerous, you could find that you are encountering a lot of complications and also putting your health in severe danger. It is extremely important to closely monitor situations to ensure that safety is a key concern, but also ensure that you are giving proper attention to the remedy. Many people swear by home remedies. They very rarely even venture to the doctor, and due to this they can avoid most doctor's visits, ensure that they remain healthy, and also reduce the amount of medication they are required to take during their life. It is extremely important to understand that while a home remedy can solve many problems, there are some situations which will require a visit to the doctor. As long as you are able to safely distinguish between the situations that require a doctor's attention and those which can allow you to use a home remedy, you can typically use the remedies quite safely. The simple reality is that as long as you are dealing with an ailment that is rather small or minor, a home remedy can be the perfect solution. It is extremely important, however, to ensure that you see a doctor for any serious problems. A great home remedy can often be better than a doctor simply due to the ability to be carried out in the actual home, rather than being forced to seek treatment in a doctor's office, which can often be cold and unfriendly. Being able to provide simple treatments in the home is a great way to improve your health as well, rather than having to wait until you are completely ill before seeking out treatment. Many people start administering home remedies at the very first signs of problems and sickness. With home remedies offering a much more natural treatment option than most doctors are comfortable following, it can also be compared to a much greener lifestyle. Rather than consuming potentially toxic medications, home remedies will almost always allow you to use natural ingredients that are not harmful to the body at all. This makes them extremely safe, and can also allow them to frequently be used even for young children, rather than needing a separate medication to treat children and adults. Of course, home remedies are not for everyone. They will typically require a bit of additional time and patience in order to actually successfully treat the ailments. As you can imagine, a home remedy can be easily modified to allow a customized solution to your specific problem. Most doctors are simply unable to devote the time and resources to providing each patient a completely customized solution. Due to this, it can be incredibly difficult to work out all of the details that are needed when seeking treatment from a doctor. Many people find that home remedies are also much easier to fit into their schedules than trying to work out numerous doctor's visits as well. This is just another reason in the growing list why many people feel that home remedies are much better for them than a standard doctor's visit. Thank you for watching. For more health advice, be sure to subscribe to our channel, and if you like the video, give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to turn on the notification button to be notified of the new videos from us.